Wrapping up warm. Understanding, bundle up for winter. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase you might hear as the weather turns cold. Bundle up for winter. This phrase is not just about clothing. It's about preparing for the chilly months ahead. Let's dive in and unpack its meaning together. To bundle up means to wear enough warm clothing to protect oneself against cold weather. When someone tells you to bundle up, they are advising you to put on multiple layers of clothing, such as sweaters, scarves, gloves, and hats, to stay warm. The phrase emphasizes the importance of being adequately prepared for the cold to avoid discomfort or health issues like catching a cold. Adding, for winter, to bundle up, specifies the season in which this action becomes particularly important. Winter, known for its cold temperatures, sometimes snow, and shorter days, requires special preparation. By saying, bundle up for winter, the speaker highlights the need to adapt one's attire and habits to the winter season's demands for warmth and comfort. It's interesting to note that the concept of bundling up can vary greatly depending on one's cultural background and the climate of their region. In some places, winter might mean light jackets and brisk walks. In others, it involves heavy coats, thermal layers, and minimizing exposure to the frigid outdoors. This section of the video will explore how different cultures and climates influence what it means to bundle up for winter. Now, let's get practical. How does one effectively bundle up for winter? We'll go over some essential tips for staying warm, such as the importance of layering, choosing the right materials like wool or synthetic fibers for insulation, and not forgetting extremities like your ears, hands, and feet. Additionally, we'll discuss how to balance staying warm with staying comfortable, because overheating can be just as unpleasant as being too cold. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and importance of bundle up for winter. We hope this video has not only helped you understand this phrase but also prepared you for the cold months ahead. Stay warm, stay safe, and remember, being well prepared for winter means you can enjoy its beauty and charm without discomfort. See you in our next video, where we'll uncover more interesting phrases and their meanings.